A sugar pill cured your pain. No drug, no active ingredient, just belief. And yet the relief is real, measurable, and shows up on brain scans. Endorphins release, inflammation drops, pain signals quiet down inside the spinal cord. The placebo effect isn't imagination. It's pharmacology without the pharmacy. But here's the strange part nobody saw coming. In American drug trials, placebos are getting stronger every single decade. Real medications now lose to fake sugar pills more often than ever before. Billion-dollar drugs are failing trials because placebos have started working too well. Something inside us is changing. The question scientists are asking is what? The word placebo is Latin. It means simply, I shall please. In medieval funerals, professional mourners chanted the word for pay and bread. By the 18th century, doctors used placebos to comfort hopeless cases at bedside. Then came Henry Beecher, an American Army anesthesiologist working at Anzio in 1944. Beecher kept running out of morphine while treating wounded soldiers under heavy shell fire. A nurse injected saltwater instead, telling the men it was strong morphine. Their pain dropped sharply. Many didn't slip into surgical shock as expected. Beecher returned to Harvard certain that belief itself was doing real medical work. In 1955, he published The Powerful Placebo in the Journal of the American Medical Association. Modern medicine never looked at fake pills the same way again after Beecher. Every modern drug must outperform a placebo in randomized controlled clinical trials. That's the rule the FDA effectively codified in the decades after Beecher's paper. For decades, this worked cleanly. Real drugs won. Sugar pills lost predictably. Then, around the mid-1990s, something inside the trial data began to shift. Potter noticed antidepressants that worked in the lab kept failing late-stage trials. The drugs hadn't changed. The placebos somehow had become more powerful. Placebo response in 1980s antidepressant trials hovered around 30%. By 2015, the average had climbed to roughly 45% across studies. Pain trials showed the same pattern, only sharper and more financially damaging. Module's team at McGill analyzed 84 chronic pain trials across 2 decades. Between 1996 and 2013, placebo responses in pain trials rose dramatically. But only in the United States. Nowhere else on Earth showed the same surge. Module's team suspected the trials themselves, not the patients, had quietly changed. American studies grew longer, larger, and far more elaborately staged than European ones. Patients spent months inside warm clinics with kind nurses and constant attention. Direct-to-consumer pharmaceutical advertising also exploded after the FDA relaxed rules in 1997. Americans watched billions of dollars in glossy ads promising relief from every condition. Expectation, researchers argue, became its own slow-acting drug delivered through television screens. Belief isn't magic. It's neurochemistry triggered by ritual, context, and learned cues. Expecting relief releases the brain's own opioids inside a region called the periaqueductal gray. At Harvard, Ted Kaptchuk built an entire research program around this strange biology. In 2010, Kaptchuk tried something nobody believed could possibly work in medicine. He gave irritable bowel patients placebos and told them openly they were placebos. The bottles were labeled placebo pills in plain English right on the front. Patients still improved, significantly compared to those who received no treatment at all. The ritual itself, swallowing a pill twice a day, was doing measurable therapeutic work. Here's the twist that reframes everything. The placebo isn't the absence of treatment. It is, in part, the treatment itself, hiding inside every prescription ever written. Warmth, attention, ritual, and a believable story are real, active ingredients of healing. Placebos can't shrink tumors, kill bacteria, or repair broken bones. That limit is real. But for pain, depression, fatigue, and nausea, expectation moves measurable biological needles. Which means the kind nurse, the careful doctor, the unhurried visit, all genuinely matter. Modern medicine, in chasing pure chemistry, may have undervalued the chemistry of care itself. Next time a doctor sits down, listens fully, and explains carefully, notice what happens. Some of what helps you isn't the prescription, it's the relationship around it.